ninjas, I'm Kaio, and today I'm going to teach you the kick up. That is a move that you can implement in your footworks or whatever you want. It's a martial arts move, and this is it. You can also do it without using your hands, like that. So, how to do it? First of all, you should lay and you should sit on your butt. From this position, just roll back, go with your feet as close as you can to the ground. If you're flexible, it's better because you have more range of movement. Then from this position, put your arms, your hands on the floor, like that. When you are here, you should kick your feet up like that. And do this movement with your feet. Like this. But very strong. And as you see, when I do this with my feet, I also lift up my hip. So I don't do like this. Like this, you will fall. But, as you see, I have to lift up my butt, my hips. Like that. So, you should do this, but stronger. And at the same time, push with your arms like that, like going to a bridge. So like that and like that at the same time. When you push strong at the same time with arms and with legs and hips, go forward with your arms like that. Like that, forward. So slowly start like this and push at the same time. And go forward with your arms. When you do that, try without using your hands. It's the same, but you should push, you should kind of like jump a little bit more and push even stronger with your legs. So try this, try to jump on your back first, like that. And when you can jump, do the same, but kick. And done. Whoa!
Yep.
And that's it for the tutorial. It's a pretty easy move that you can learn in just few attempts or maybe few days. And make sure to check out my merch, link in the description. Thanks to Rose Punch for his help. Also his Instagram in the description. And let me know which moves you want me to teach you. And see you in the next episode. Yo ninjas!